So you have the manual and a really cool recipe book. So here I've got the tamper, I've got a little spatula, this is the motor, this is the jug. They also gave me this very nice just a bottle to make like smoothie takeaway, and I've also got this little nut bag as well, just to it will be good to make like nut milk, almond milk with this. So yeah, so I'm going to try some recipes out with this blender. So what I like about this blender is that the motor part is metal, like I don't know, it's stainless steel. A lot of blenders, they are plastic, so they wear and tear very easily. And so this is very robust, this is metal. And you can see the bottom part here is also metal, which is very good. And I'm going to make maybe a smoothie now. So I'm going to make like a very refreshing smoothie. I've got some frozen fruity that this is made from puree, mango, and also nectarine. So pretty much just chop them up fresh and then put it in a blender and then put it in a silicone mold. So this is pretty much just pure mango plus a nectarine. So some frozen fruit. I've also got this coffee from the Good Seed sparkling one. So I haven't tried it before, so I'm really excited to try this. And also I'm going to add some protein powder in it as well, just a protein boost for the afternoon. So this is the protein I'm using. This is by Vivo New, and it's almost the end. So I'm gonna finish this packet off and see how it goes. So here I've got about 1 cup of frozen fruit, the frozen mango and nectarine mix that I'm using, about 2 scoops of protein powder, the vanilla flavored, and about 1 cup of the sparkling coffee. Let's blend it. It's my first time using it, so I don't know which program, so I'm just going to use medium. I've changed from medium to fast, and let's have a look. That was really fast. So depending the consistency you like, I like them thick, so it's like a smoothie bowl thing. It's very, as you can tell, it's very smooth. So I'm just pouring this smoothie, very nice, into the bowl. It's very pretty, as you can tell. And it's very thick as well. Look at how thick the base is. I love it so much. Alright, so I'm just going to top the smoothie bowl with the granola. This is the white Christmas granola. It's made from cranberry, white chocolate, and a lot of nuts, seeds, and of course raw oats. And yes, wholesome ingredients. Can't wait to dig in. So super smooth and thick.